The lead hit like a gut punch. For the better part of a decade, a San Francisco Bay Area drug ring sold tons of cocaine to the Crips and Bloods throughout Los Angeles and funneled millions in drug profits to the CIA-backed Nicaraguan Contras. Webb didn't stop at allegation. He named names: Meneses, Blandón, Ross, backed by Blandón's own testimony. It was the biggest Contra fundraising operation in the country. The graphics? A black kingpin shaking hands with a shadowy CIA spook. Under the incendiary header, CIA crack cocaine connection. Downloads crashed servers. By week's end, it had ricocheted from LA to London, igniting fury in black communities long ravaged by the just say no hypocrisy.